everybody, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori. And today I have a little different video for you. I'm posting this video to see if anybody is interested in a Q&A. We hit 3,000 subscribers today. I'm so excited. And I just want to thank everybody. Thank new subscribers. Thank you for sticking around, all the comments. It really brightens my day. And I thought we should do a Q&A because I get a lot of questions. And because I've been to the Dollar Tree and there's nothing to show. Nothing new, really. Well, I bought a trash can. How exciting is that? And some flowers. Anywho, so I have my tea today in my Queen Elizabeth. I think this is from the Diamond Jubilee. My niece and I were in London 7 years ago, and I got this mug, and I'm drinking some Scottish heather tea. Oh, very, very, wait, my pinky. I got my pinky out, don't worry. But when I drink my Scottish tea, I have to have my Queen mug. I love the Queen. Delish. Anywho, so I thought we would do a Q&A for the 3,000 subscribers, and then I'm putting together a 5,000 subscriber giveaway of some of my favorite things. So stay tuned for that. I do have a DIY coming out on Friday, but it's nothing Dollar Tree related. It's actually recycling, which I love to do too, or I guess upcycling. So that'll be exciting on Friday. I'm going to start working on that later. So I can get the video going for you. But what I was hoping is if you have any questions for me, post them below in the comment section, and I'll put together a Q&A video depending on how much response I get this weekend, so I can put that out next week. But yeah, ask away. Anything you want to know. If it's something inappropriate, I might, and I mean inappropriate for like a video purpose, I may email you or contact you privately and tell you the answer to that. But, I mean, as long as we keep it rated G, I suppose, it's all good. I'm a pretty basic lady. I like cats and crafting and tea. Oh. So that is it. I just wanted to pop on and announce that I am going to do a Q&A. So ask away. And, yeah. Have a good one. Night, everybody. Bye. Delicious. See ya.